The sun beats down on the backyard where Liam stands amidst a sea of colorful blocks and cardboard. He reaches down, gripping a heavy wooden crate filled to the brim with building bricks. His knuckles turn white as he heaves with all his might, but the crate remains stubbornly pinned to the grass. Beside him, Sunny the golden retriever tilts his head, letting out a short, questioning bark as if to ask why the box won't budge. Liam stops to wipe the sweat from his forehead, looking at the wooden platform just 3 feet away that feels like a mountain. He taps his chin thoughtfully, watching Sunny circle the heavy load. "There has to be a better way, Sunny," Liam mutters, his eyes scanning every corner of the yard for a solution. His gaze finally lands on a long, flat wooden board leaning against the fence, forgotten until now. With a spark of inspiration, he drags the heavy board over, carefully placing one end firmly on the platform and the other flat against the ground. He pushes the crate onto the wood. It glides upward with a soft, satisfying scrape. Liam breathes a massive sigh of relief as the weight vanishes. The narrator explains that Liam has just used an inclined plane, a simple machine that makes lifting heavy objects much easier by spreading the effort over a longer distance. Liam grins, his eyes bright with a new idea that goes beyond just moving crates. He grabs a piece of sturdy cardboard and leans it against a block to create a mini ramp for his toys. He places a bright toy car at the top and lets go. The car zooms down, rolling across the grass while Sunny bounces after it with his tail wagging furiously. Liam isn't finished yet. He wants to see how height changes the speed. He adjusts the ramp, propping it up with another block to make it steeper. He releases the car again. It shoots down much faster this time, traveling twice the distance. He then lowers the ramp to a shallow angle, and the car rolls slowly, coming to a gentle stop near Sunny's paws. Liam continues his testing, swapping the car for a much heavier truck. He watches intently to see how each different vehicle reacts to the slope. He even adds tape to smooth out the edges of his ramp, making the surface sturdier for his high-speed experiments. Every adjustment teaches him something new about how the world works. The narrator notes that these ramps are not just toys, they are everywhere in our daily lives. From the sidewalks that help strollers pass to the massive loading docks in the busy city, inclined planes help everyone move safely and efficiently. Liam looks directly into the camera, holding his favorite toy car. He points to a piece of cardboard on the ground, inviting all the viewers at home to start their own experiments. He wants everyone to feel the thrill of discovery that he felt today in his own backyard. Liam sets the car at the top of his final, perfectly smooth ramp. With one last push, the car races down flawlessly. Sunny chases it into the golden afternoon sunlight. The narrator concludes by praising all the young engineers for their curiosity and hard work, reminding them that every great invention in history starts with a simple test and a little bit of imagination.